Ugh, just another boring ass week of school. I fucking hate everyone here, except for my friends and my girlfriend. I especially hate the teacher. It's so annoying.
Ugh, just another week of school. I literally hate everyone here except for my boyfriend and my friends. I especially hate the bitch sitting next to me. Why? Because he snitches on me all the fucking time.
Alright. It's time for recess now. Have fun.
This is strange. I've never been to this part of the school before, and why is there a button on the table? This is really weird. Oh. It's only you, thank God. So Anna, have you been in here before?
No, I haven't, but it looks fun.
Anna, are you thinking what I'm thinking? There's a fire alarm button right there. We should totally press it and make everyone freak out.
Oh yeah, that would be so much fun seeing the look on their faces and all the preschool kids crying wanting their mommy and daddy.
Oh yeah, it totally would. So what are we waiting for? Let's press the fire alarm button.
Let's run out of here.
Trevor and Anna, report to my office right this instant. Trevor and Anna, what the fuck is your deal? Pulling the fire alarm when there's no fire, how dare you do such a thing?
It was just supposed to be a funny prank.
A funny prank, huh? You scared the life out of many preschoolers, kindergartners and first graders. In fact, one mom called me and said that she can't leave her 4-year-old out of her sight because he is so traumatized. When she called, he sat on her lap crying hysterically. That poor child will probably need lots of therapy to get over the trauma he endured because of your stupid and reckless actions with complete disregard for human life. That's it, Trevor. Since this was your idea right from the beginning, you will be suspended for 3 weeks. And Anna, since you were into the idea but didn't actually come up with it and that you didn't physically pull the fire alarm, you will be suspended for 2 weeks. And also, your parents must pay a fine of $250 and $200 respectively. Not to mention that the school has to pay a fine of $500 to the fire department. Now please get out of my office, I'll be notifying your parents.
Thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your now, you stupid excuse of a brother and vaya, que huelita. Spoiler tu el te y video el te y